Welcome back to our channel today. So today I'll be bringing you a detailed guide on how to secure your appointment at German Embassy in this year 2025, along with step-by-step instruction on how to accurately complete the VDEX application form. So just follow through as I take you through the whole process. Are you planning to visit Germany for your summer holiday, summer break, or anytime soon this year, or you want to visit Germany for the white Christmas or whatsoever? You are just at the right place, because I'm going to be showing you how to secure the embassy appointment. You don't have to pay for agent to do your appointment. You can do it by yourself. So I'll show you step-by-step guide on how to apply directly for your appointment without paying anyone. So this step-by-step is to show you how to go through the official website and how to navigate the appointment booking section and how to select your visa type. Maybe you're applying for a short time or a long-term visa, or you're applying for study purpose or relocation or for work purpose. So I'm going to show you how you're going to fill out your personal details and to choose the convenient date and time. But make sure you confirm all your information that you're going to be submitting through the application. And I'm going to tell you this, like, the appointment in other places are very easy to find. Like, if you go to, let's say, South Africa appointment, you can always find appointment easily. But wanting to view my viewers, like, to find appointments in Nigerian German Embassy is quite easy, so to say. Let me just say it's quite easy, but I'm going to show you step by step on how to just go through the appointment process, how to go about it, because it can be so annoying when you have to be paying a lot of money for appointment that you can just book by yourself. You can just use your phone to just book it, or if you find time you can use your PC or whatsoever. So it's quite straightforward, and I'm going to breaking it down, and also how to fill the VDEX form. So stay tuned and let me take you there. Time you don't find no dates, no time slot, but you have to keep refreshing, because sometimes something pops up and maybe somebody canceled or they open the appointment page. So you just have to keep refreshing till you find something. So happy finding. What is a VDEX form? The VDEX application form. This form is where you're going to enter all your details. So what you need to do, you can always find this on the website. So you need to complete the VDEX application form, which is very essential for your visa application. Be sure to fill out every section carefully, providing the accurate personal details, travel information, and accommodation and specifics. So you have to double check with your passport information and ensure you have every detail matches your official document. So this is very, very important. You don't just want to mismatch your VDEX form. It's very important. And warning to my Nigerian applicants, there is this very nice guy, yellow guy at the gates at the embassy. If your VDEX form or your form is not well arranged, you stand a chance of going back home. He doesn't care, but you just have to make sure you arrange all your documents nicely. Make sure you have to make sure you print out the checklist and arrange your form one after the other. So doing, you'll be able to avoid trouble at the gate, because without this VDEX, they won't allow you in. So you have to make sure you have your VDEX application form filled and printed out. Let's talk about 2 steps to kickstart your visa application. So the first step in your visa application process is booking appointment at the German Embassy. And how do you do this? How do you land to the German Embassy? You visit the official website of the German Embassy in your country. Mostly it always ends with .de. That's it always ends with .de. So you go to the visa appointment selection section and select the visa category that applies to you. You want to fill in your details carefully, your name, passport number, and other required information. And you want to choose the available date and time that suits you. Double check all the details before submitting, but sometimes you have to be very fast, because like a place like Nigerian appointment, in Nigeria the appointment is very, very fast. So you have to be very fast about the whole process of applying. So you have to make sure you have your email ready, your name, your passport number, and you enter the CAPTCHA, then you check out. But I'm going to be showing you how to go about it, as in the quick steps, how to just get it done by yourself. So just stay tuned and watch how you can go about doing it by yourself. So next on the list, once you have the appointment booked, the next crucial thing is the VDEX form. So you want to open the VDEX online portal on the German government website, which the link is always end with .de. So you want to carefully enter your personal details, your travel purpose, and planned stay duration. And you want to ensure that your passport details match exactly what is on your passport. You want to fill in your accommodation details. More on these accommodation details will be coming as a tip. Just stay tuned and watch. I'll be showing you the tip. I'll be giving you a tip about your accommodation, to booking your accommodation. So once this is done, you have to submit and print out the PDF. Make sure you print out the PDF. You don't need to make a copy, just print out a copy of the PDF and you signed a copy for, and you print out also that appointment. Make sure you have a printout of your appointment and a printout of this VDEX form. Make sure you have them printed out. In my next video, I'll be telling you the checklist, what you're supposed to take with you and what you're not supposed to take with you. So just stay tuned with us. And if you really enjoyed this video, I want you to give us thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so we are able to give you more tips, more hacks on how to get things done by yourself. This channel is propelled to make you do things and get things done by yourself.
This is how to book your visa appointment with German Embassy. First, head to Google and search for German Embassy, followed by the name of the country you are applying from. Once the search result come up, click on the official link and it will take you directly to the embassy website. Now this is the site. You will see different visa categories. There is a short term for stays up to 90 days within 180 days period, and the national long visa, and few options. I'll walk you through the process step by step. Take a moment to explore the website just to familiarize yourself, then click the appropriate visa category. This will bring you to a new page. Here you will find to select either short term or long term depending on the purpose for your trip. For this example, I will go through the short term. After then, you'll be asked to complete your CAPTCHA to proceed. Once the CAPTCHA is entered, you'll be redirected to the appointment booking page. Now we are at the appointment booking page. Now just a heads up, when I first tried booking, there was no appointment available for the short term visa. So I switched to the long term visa page just to clarify the whole thing. But don't worry, the process is pretty much same for both. So you will need to select your preferred travel date, then fill your personal details exactly as they appear in your passport. Go step by step to fill in all the required details. When you reach to the bottom of the form, you will once again be asked to complete a CAPTCHA. As you can see, we have a CAPTCHA. Then you have to select the date. Then after then you have to go to the CAPTCHA to enter the CAPTCHA. So after you have to do this one after the other, then it's quite straightforward how to go about this. Then you want to select the date. Then after choosing the date, then the next thing will be the CAPTCHA. So you want to just enter the CAPTCHA. Then when you enter the CAPTCHA, then finally, once everything is filled out, click the date, then enter the CAPTCHA one more time. Then boom. Now let's move on to the VDEX application form, which is an essential part of the German visa. So to begin the visa, visit the official German government website. Here you will find details, visa information for short-term, long-term, transit visa, and as well as appointment booking option. So to access the VDEX form, simply click on the relevant link either from the main section, or you can scroll down to the application form. You'll find something. Once the form opens, start by selecting your preferred language to make the process smoother for you. Now you begin by filling in your details. You want to start with your surname and giving names. Then after you want to put your date of birth, place of birth, and country of birth. Then after doing that, you want to just go to your gender to select your gender. You know what your gender is. So Then you, after you must have select your gender, you want to put your country of nationality. So when you choose your original nationality as well as current nationality, then you have to complete each section. The indicator in the top left corner of the form will turn green, showing that the section is complete. Next, you will have to, you see a question about being an EU or EA family member. This doesn't apply to most people if you don't have a EU family member or EA family member. So you have to just skip that. So now on to the occupation section. You want to enter your current job title, provide the address, including the street name, house number, postcode, and city and country. As you can see, we have like a red column because I didn't fill them. You have to make sure you fill everything, then you are able to get green once everything is properly filled. So like I'll just go to the next one, which is document. You want to put your type of passport, like or you have choose the type of passport. In most cases it should be mandate it should be an ordinary passport. Enter your passport number, date of issue, expiry date, and the country where it was issued. Then you will reach the previous visa and biometric data section. That will be the next thing on the line. But if you have applied for a Schengen visa before or had your fingerprint taken, indicate that here, like you want to indicate if you have ever had a fingerprint. Moving on, then next is moving on to the travel details. You have to enter your intended date of entry and exit. That is very important, and you want to put the member. You want to enter the main destination. Choose the country you spend most of the time in. For if you're applying at the German embassy, you actually choose Germany. For type of entry, first time applicant should choose single. Now to the reference section. So this could be a person if you have been invited by a family member or friend, or you are going strictly on tourism, then you want to pick hotel that you'll be staying in an hotel. You want to fill the name, the street address, the house number, postcode, city, and country of where the hotel is located, or if there's someone that is inviting you. So after doing all this, filling all the addresses and what so on, and then you want to go to the next column. Like now we have if you don't fill the street number and the house number, we are unable to go further. Like now it will turn to green once I fill the postcode and the city. Everything will change to green. Now it's green, so I have a green light to go to the next stage, so which will be assumption of cost. So it's the cost of traveling and the means of support. So you want to indicate who is covering your cost, whether it is yourself or a host. Then you want to check appropriate box for your means of support, maybe cash, credit, prepaid accommodation, transport, etc. So now after filling everything, if you notice we have a red mark at the top right, it means a section is incomplete. In this case, double check your entries. For example, I had to go back and complete the contact section before proceeding. So once you fill it rightly, you put now you see it's green, all section turns green. Then you can now complete the download. Then you can download the PDF. Now this file contains important barcodes that must be printed. Now you have to put your place where you are applying from. Let's say you are applying in Lagos, you want to put Lagos and the date, and you want to sign. So you want to write a place and a date of application, which is very, very important. Then you have to bring the printed form with you to your visa appointment. It is simple, usually friendly process.
Next, to avoid. Don't leave any section blank. Make sure you fill every section. Provide all the required details in all those sections. Very important. Avoid typing errors in your name, passport number, and travel details. And if you so doing in the process of filling, if there's a typo error, you can, after printout, you can use your pen to write it correctly. They won't penalize you for doing that. But make sure you have everything spelled out correctly the way it is on your passport, and ensure that your signature is clear and matches the one on your passport. You don't want to have trouble going in. And the fear of yellow at that gate is the fear of everything. So make sure you just tick everything right before approaching that embassy gate. Very important tip. So like I promised, I'll be giving you a tip. So the tip is hotel booking for your visa application. Now, this one is one of the biggest mistakes many applicants make. And how can you avoid these mistakes? The best way to book for your visa application, book on hotel portal directly. You can navigate your way by finding those hotels on booking.com or hotels.com or Agoda or whatsoever. But once you find a nice hotel that is suitable or that is within the range for your booking, go ahead to the hotel portal and book it directly on hotel portal. Most times when you book on booking.com and the likes, it's not the best practice. So make sure you book on hotel portal directly. It helps a lot. So you just go to the official hotel website and make the reservation. You don't necessarily need to pay for the booking, but make sure you hold it with your card so that you're able to cancel if visa is not issued or whatever. So you don't need to pay for the hotel before applying for a visa. Just book a guaranteed hotel with your card that says you can cancel few days, 2 days to your arrival. So that's how to go about it. So make sure you take this tip with you, and don't forget to always book directly on hotel portal. This will save you a lot of stress. So that's my 2 cents, and I hope you found this guide helpful. So make sure to like this video to help others find it, and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a future drops. And you want to drop a comment below if you have any question. I'm so happy to answer you and give you that lead to land your visa. So coming up in my next video, I'll be sharing practical ways to relocate to Germany in this 2025, which will be including job search tips, visa option, and housing solution, and how to navigate your way even when you find yourself in Germany. Just stay tuned, and thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video that will be dropping soon. So thank you.